Did you know Japan has a cat island? Yes, an entire island full of fluffy felines roaming free. In Japan, there's a unique festival where sumo wrestlers compete to make babies cry for good luck. It's called Nakizumo. Japan is home to the oldest company in the world, founded in 578 AD. The Kongo-gumi Construction Company has been passed down through 40 generations. Haiku, a traditional form of Japanese poetry, consists of only 3 lines with a total of 17 syllables, an art form of brevity and beauty. The Japanese island of Okunoshima is known as Rabbit Island due to its huge population of adorable bunnies hopping around freely.